Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, let's jump into part 2, where we'll explore the lasting legacy of the Ford Raptor and how it's still influencing truck design today. Power and engine innovations. The Raptor's performance story isn't just about what's underneath, it's about what roars under the hood. From its debut, the Raptor made a name for itself with engines that rivaled sports cars in power and responsiveness. The first-generation Raptor came with a 6.2L V8, delivering 411 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque. This engine wasn't just powerful, it was bold, offering the kind of raw performance that appealed to adrenaline seekers. Ford then raised the bar with the second generation, introducing the 3.5L EcoBoost V6. While smaller, this twin-turbocharged engine packed a serious punch, producing 450 horsepower and an impressive 510 pound-feet of torque. It showed that bigger doesn't always mean better. Sometimes precision engineering creates more impressive results. The adoption of EcoBoost technology also emphasized efficiency without sacrificing power, a crucial move in a market increasingly aware of fuel consumption. With this shift, Ford proved that high-performance trucks didn't have to be gas guzzlers. The Raptor made it clear, power and practicality could coexist. Durability and build quality. If there's one thing you want in an off-road truck, it's toughness. The Ford Raptor was engineered to not only perform but also survive in the harshest conditions. From scorching desert heat to icy mountain paths, this truck was designed to take punishment and keep going. A major contributor to the Raptor's durability is its high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body, a feature borrowed from Ford's F-150 lineup. Lighter than traditional steel, this material improves fuel efficiency without compromising strength. The reinforced steel frame adds another layer of toughness, ensuring the truck stays rigid under the stress of extreme off-road adventures. Key components, like the axles and differential, were beefed up to handle massive torque loads. Even small details, like the Raptor's oversized tires, play a role. These tires are built to grip loose surfaces while standing up to sharp rocks and debris. Pair these features with the skid plates and heavy-duty bash plates, and you've got a truck that laughs in the face of rugged terrain. Influence on competitor models. The Ford Raptor didn't just carve out its own niche in the truck market, it forced competitors to play catch-up. Before the Raptor's debut, factory-built off-road trucks were practically non-existent. Ford wasn't following a trend, they were creating one. Naturally, other brands took notice. After the Raptor proved there was a market for high-performance off-road trucks, others joined the fray. Ram introduced the TRX, a direct competitor packing a supercharged V8 with over 700 horsepower. It was clear that Ram wanted to reclaim the title of the most powerful truck, but the TRX's entry wouldn't have happened without the Raptor setting the stage. Chevrolet followed suit with its Colorado ZR2, though on a smaller scale. Even brands like Toyota began emphasizing off-road performance in their Tacoma TRD Pro lineup. It wasn't just about slapping on some big tires and flashy decals. These trucks were now being designed with serious performance capabilities, a tribute to the Raptor's influence. The Raptor forced manufacturers to rethink what their trucks could be. It wasn't enough to offer a truck that could tow a boat or carry lumber. Buyers now expected their trucks to be adventure-ready, with features that went well beyond the bare minimum. In essence, the Raptor raised the bar for everyone, creating a ripple effect that the entire industry felt. Cultural and lifestyle impact. The Ford Raptor is not just a truck, it's become a cultural phenomenon. Its influence extends beyond performance and capability, creating a lifestyle centered on adventure, ruggedness, and individuality. From being a symbol of status to dominating pop culture and thrilling off-road enthusiasts, the Raptor has redefined what it means to own a pickup truck. The Raptor as a status symbol. Owning a Ford Raptor tells the world something. You're not just someone who needs a truck, you're someone who wants the best. It's a status symbol of adventure, a truck that says you live life on the edge and aren't afraid to show it. The Raptor has found its way into the hands of those who crave thrill and performance, and it's often featured in off-road rallies, high-speed desert runs, and weekend adventures. The Raptor also appeals to a broader demographic, including urban dwellers who use it for both work and play. Whether it's hauling equipment or driving to a camping spot, the truck represents a blend of high-octane performance with everyday utility. It has become part of a lifestyle, symbolizing both strength and freedom. Raptor in pop culture. The Ford Raptor has been a part of movies, TV shows, and commercials, cementing its place in popular culture. Its aggressive design and high-performance abilities make it the perfect fit for action-packed films, where the Raptor is often seen conquering challenging terrain and effortlessly making its way through the toughest environments. The truck also shines in the gaming world, where it's featured in racing games and off-road simulators. For many, the Raptor is as much a fantasy vehicle as a real one, embodying the dream of high-speed races and wild off-road escapades. The future of the Raptor legacy. As Ford continues to innovate, the future of the Raptor looks brighter than ever. The company's commitment to performance and adventure-ready trucks is evident, as the Raptor has continued to evolve with new technology and engineering improvements. Whether it's adapting to electric powertrains or pushing the limits of performance further, the Raptor's legacy will continue to influence the truck market for years to come. The Ford Raptor has forever changed the landscape of the truck market, blending power, performance, and adventure in ways that competitors are still trying to catch up with. From its off-road dominance to its cultural influence, the Raptor has redefined what a truck can be, inspiring drivers, manufacturers, and enthusiasts around the world. It's not just a truck, it's a lifestyle. And as long as there's a need for adventure, the Ford Raptor will continue to lead the way. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.